How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today it's Wednesday. We've just finished doing some work on this Nissan Leaf. I think Dad got some Instagram pictures. We didn't film any, but it's time to jump into our Copart Nissan Qashqai. You excited, Dad?
Looking forward to it.
Start tearing down the front end and getting a parts list.
Right guys, first things first that we do with any Copart car is cut the deployed airbags out to get them out the way. So, passenger side one first. Every single time these go off, it's going to wreck the windscreen, so we need a windscreen. But I don't think anybody's been sitting in the seat when this one's went off.
What are you doing?
Filming you. Don't cut the Nissan logo off.
Come away. What is that?
It's just the sock. Just cut the bag off and tuck it back in.
What is that?
Just cut the bag off and tuck it in. Don't cut towards yourself, remember. No, always cut away for yourself. Watch your legs. Don't let it slip and slice your legs.
Leaf's too blunt. Right, so we got the airbags out. It was pretty gross knowing that that's whacked somebody in the face and there's probably so many different types of fluid in that. But Dad's moved on to a new project. So for now that's it. And we'll be back soon.
Right guys, let's have a look at the damage. So it's clearly had a hit in the offside front. The grille's okay, seems okay. We'll get it stripped off and find it. Basically what we'll do is we'll strip it off and we'll have a bin pile and a keep pile, and we'll also have a pen and paper and list everything we need. So we already know we need a windscreen because the airbag went off and done the windscreen. We need obviously the dash, steering wheel airbag. For some reason this seatbelt pre-tensioner is okay, but the passenger side one's gone off. And if you've seen it in the B-roll, this suspension arm's gone. So when we were putting the tyres on it, the suspension arm, the back bushes came completely out the arm, hasn't it?
And it's just knocking front, back, whatever direction you go.
Yeah, but it's also, it's cambered in a lot, so I think there's a knuckle or something away. We need to jack it up and check that. But first of all, we'll get all the body panels off it and have a look. So I'm surprised, like that bumper bracket's still in one piece. Still got a bit of bumper on it, but the actual bumper bracket isn't broken. Headlight's gone. Washer bottle, we might be able to heat that up, blow some compressed air into it and push it back out, check it for leaks. You never know. It looks like that plug's gone. Yep. Smashed up plug. Right. What shall we just... Oh, bit of wind there. What shall we do? Shall we just whack a bit of time lapse on and just go ham and strip the front of it off?
Whack a bit of time lapse off, get the front end stripped down, and we can talk about the damages that we find. If there's any. Hopefully there's not too much.
I already know the bottom bumper support's gone, but we'll check the rest of it. Right, let's go guys. Right guys, here we go. Now that the front end's all stripped, we can get a proper look at it. And see when all the broken plastics are off, you quickly realise it's no as bad as it looks. So the bottom subframe is all okay, everything's straight. The subframe extension legs are straight. The crumple zones for the chassis legs are perfect, they're all good. Slam panels all good, everything looks great. The only thing is, this shock here, this is bent, so the wheel's cambered in a bit. And the bottom arm, you can see the bush has completely left the arm. So that's not great. But there's no inner well damage at all. Everything in here looks fine and straight. It's all still good. This is all straight. So this, the bonnet's perfect. This is actually going to be a really easy repair. So now that we've got it stripped, we know we don't need anything else for here. We've got most of our parts list. Let's have a look inside and see what we can save. Right guys, the front bumper, as we know, that side's completely obliterated. But the centre trims are all okay, so we can buy a new insurance approved bumper. Obviously it comes without all the trims, but these are all fine, so we can take all of these off. We can pop off these parking sensor mounts. These don't come with the new bumper, these are a separate part. We've got one good fog light, one good trim, good toe and eye bracket, toe and eye cover. So we need, oh, we actually found a parking sensor as well inside all the mud and crap, didn't we, Charlie? So luckily we found one of them. The mounts for it are all still intact, which is sorted. We only need one fog light, one trim piece and one parking sensor in the bumper, so that's good. But for now, we'll keep all of this just in case we need any trim clips or anything like that. Never ever get rid of it too early. Bumper support, this has had it. So we need a new one of these. Readily available on eBay, pretty cheap as well. So we'll get one of them. The headlight, I really thought we'd be able to save this because I thought it was just the lugs that were broken. But actually, the whole back of the headlight smashed, which is a shame because it works perfectly. Every single bit of the headlight works, LED and everything. So yeah, unfortunately, the headlight's toast, so we will need to get one. Just another couple of wee trims that are cracked. We also need the motorised fan flaps for the radiator. If we don't replace these, we'll end up throwing faults, so we need to get these. And the wing, the foam for the wing's okay. The wing is actually bent, so we are going to have to get a wing. I thought we might be able to save it, but it's bent, so we'll just get another one. They're pretty cheap as well. And again, the inner wheel arch is smashed to bits at the front, but we'll keep a hold of it just now because the new one won't come with all these bits of foam and clips and stuff. So that's pretty much it. So once you get rid of all the mud, the broken plastic and everything, this is what you're left with and this is what you need to order. It's not that bad at all. The washer bottle, before we get on with it, before we go and order one, I want to see if we can fix this. So it's only squashed in, it isn't burst, I don't think, or is it? So before we go and order one, I want to see if we can fix this one. So we'll get the compressor on, I've got the heat gun out. Let's see if we can warm this up and just pop it back into shape. Right, so first things first, we'll heat it up a little bit with the heat gun. It's already starting to pop out a little bit. It's actually starting, you can see it coming out, it's starting to move back into its original moulded shape.
Where do you put your finger in that hole?
Yeah, I'll put my finger in the hole. There, go on. Oh.
Over here?
What's this one? There we go, all the mounting points. There is one mounting point here. The actual mounting point is okay and in the right place, but where the wiring was clipped in, and it's yanked on it, it's pulled it through there. But that's no sealing the bottle. But we could plastic weld that back together. There we go, I think that'll go again. There you go, I don't know how much a water bottle is, but we've saved the cost of it, whatever it is. Every saving's a saving, isn't it? Cool. What next?
I want to have a look at this Fiat 500.
Right guys, now that we've saved the washer bottle, I've even soldered that joint at the top to make it whole again with the wire and pulled it through. So that's 100% saved. There's not a lot else we can do to the Qashqai until the parts arrive, so we need to go and order them now. But what I want to do to finish this video off is pull the little Fiat 500 in, take the front bumper off, take the headlight off, try and realign that wing and see if we can tidy it up a wee bit and see what's going on with the front end of that car and see why it's so far out. Have they just not lined it up, or is there some damage underneath? Let's go and have a look. Right, so here we go, the little 500's in. We'll start by pulling at this headlight, we'll get the bumper off, we'll pop this wing off, and we'll take it from there. I was going to use the heat gun, just to warm this up a bit and reshape this side of the bumper, but the heat gun's packed up. See, since we done that washer bottle, it cut off, do you remember? It's no coming on at all now.
Is it no cooled down enough yet?
No, I thought it was like a thermal trip.
What?
Maybe it blew a fuse, I don't know.
Maybe we need a new heat gun.
Need to strip it and have a look, but yeah, let's get the bumper off, get the headlight out, and
I want to see if there's any bad hidden damage.
I want to see what's underneath all
I
the
want to
way.
see what's behind this wing. 'Cause
Yeah.
the wheels don't look too good.
No. And we have got double acrylic Fiat white Bianco. It should be the right colour. This was actually on the shelf at AUTOPARTS. Bianco 268. This is Bianco 249. It might be close. Was it teal? Well, this should be a close enough colour to do this bit.
Feel it.
Right, we've got the front end stripped. So first thing that caught my eye was the crash bar still crashed. So you're laughing at it. So we need to fix that. I don't know why they've not done it. They're cheap at the scrappies and they're only 45 quid new. So yeah, we need to replace that. This here has got a little bit of impact damage on it, but it's still pretty much the same shape. I think it's just this top bit here that's bent in. We could bend that back out and touch it back up with some black paint. It's not the end of the world, or we'll just get one for the scrappies or something. The biggest problem we've found so far, Charlie, eh? You ready for this, guys? So from what I've seen, I've took some measurements. This part here needs to come forward another 8mm, and it also needs to tilt up the way. I'm not 100% sure. This has had a slight dent. I'm not 100% sure if that's supposed to be like that or not. This might be. I'm even tempted to take the wing off the other side and have a look. But I know this panel here needs to come forward and tilt forward and then be re-spot welded. We need to cut this bit off, whatever this nonsense is. And that spot weld's not even on in the back. Look at these spot welds in there. Look, you can't even see this, guys. Look. Can you see it in there? It's not even attached. So yeah, there's a bit of work to do on this, straightening it up, but we'll get it. But this is exactly why the front end wasn't fitting properly, because the repair underneath hasn't been done quite right. So, it's time for Charlie to go to his day job. It's time for me to go and order some more parts. I might even take a little swing past the breaker's yard and see if they've got any 500s. If not, I'll just go onto eBay and get everything we need. I might pop this wing off first and have a look. I'll just undo the top bolts and see if I can have a wee peek in and see what it's like. But yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow for more accident damage repairs.
I know. It sucks because we've got the Qashqai set outside, we've got this set inside. But we've got the Mazda as well, but we've not got anything to fix anything.
And we've got the Audi TT that hopefully that other wings came today.
So hopefully we can start fixing things.
Yeah, at the moment we're only stripping things.
Yeah. We'll see you in the next video, so like Dad said, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.